From life-saving devices like pacemakers and ventilators, to diagnostic tools like MRI machines and wearable health monitors, electronics have become the backbone of modern healthcare. Biomedical technology is transforming the way we understand, diagnose, and treat diseases, paving the way for a healthier future. These innovations aren't just for scientists in high-tech labs. They're built on principles anyone can learn and apply. Introducing the Biomedical Learning Kit, a hands-on journey to discover how electronics drive biomedical innovations. This learning kit includes 3 engaging projects with 3 typical biomedical modules: a blood oximeter, ECG heartbeat sensor, and EMG muscle sensor. The kit is designed to demonstrate the powerful connection between electronics and biomedical. With step-by-step guidance, you'll link theory to practical applications, learning how to integrate hardware with biomedical systems to create exciting, real-world solutions. You'll experiment with monitoring vital signs, converting signals to a measurable index, and displaying electronic components. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced learner, this kit makes complex concepts accessible, practical, and fun. What makes this project truly unique is its collaborative approach. It is led by experienced engineers working alongside local high school and university students. From students' perspective as learners, the students have recorded their journey, shared their insights, and contributed to shaping the educational experience. With expert guidance, they've transformed this process into a thoughtfully designed learning book that reflects real-world understanding and application. Their involvement ensures the kit is relatable, engaging, and tailored for learners at every stage. Electronics have revolutionized biomedical technology, making healthcare more efficient, accessible, and personalized. With every project you complete, you will gain insights into how these breakthroughs happen and how you can contribute to the next wave of innovation. Join us in making learning engaging, accessible, and impactful. With the Biomedical Learning Kit, you'll not only unlock the potential of technology in the biomedical field, but also spark a passion for innovation.